Hi, I'm Precious, back with more resources to help you through your graduate school application process. The UCLA Career Center has a number of online tools to help you as you plan. Visit career.ucla.edu to download the career guide and subscribe to our YouTube channel for tips and strategies. You can also check out grad school related events and workshops on Handshake under the events section, or use the appointments feature to schedule counseling sessions with our advisors for one-on-one appointments. Outside of the Career Center, UCLA offers numerous resources to help you along the way, including the Undergraduate Research Center, the Undergraduate Writing Center, College Academic Mentors, Pre-Health at UCLA, the UCLA Scholarship Resource Center, and much more. If you're unsure which resource is best for your situation, reach out to your academic advisor or a career counselor who can help point you in the right direction. You have many online tools at your disposal, so take advantage of the internet. Make sure to comb through websites for each grad program you plan on applying to. You can find information about info sessions, virtual campus visits, faculty, current graduate students, and other helpful tips. Another helpful online resource is UCLA One. The professional networking site allows Bruins to find other Bruins in a trusted UCLA environment. Reach out to current graduate students to see if they have any advice as you prepare for your own grad school journey. Try the same thing on LinkedIn. You can also find a number of scholarship and financial aid resources online. Map out your financial needs and consider how much financial aid you should apply for. This was just a quick overview of the resources you can use during your grad school application process. For more resources, visit career.ucla.edu.